Hey y'all, welcome back. Hey, Jason Fantasticators, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, my name is Jay. That is really Judy, but they call me Jay. And this is where sewing and upcycle fashions come to life. Okay? And if you ever wanted to learn sewing, transformation of old clothes into new favorite things, or just find your own style through DIY fashion, then you are in the right place. Jay Sotastic. So what? So, what we're going to talk about today pretty much is what my channel has to offer. So, I am a beginning sewist. Most people don't think so, but I am. And I share some of my step-to-step projects that are beginner friendly. So, that is what I want to do over here on this channel. Even if you never touched a sewing machine, you'll be able to follow along. So, I am going to be doing some step-by-step projects that you can follow along with. And then in my upcycle side of the channel, I love taking thrifted clothes and clothes out of my closet and giving them brand new life. So I'm going to share with you my closet. I'm going to share with you when I go thrifting and find some items to share with you and what I'm going to make out of those items. And it's fun, affordable, and sustainable. So who doesn't want to do that? Okay, style and fit, we all worry about that as we our body changes on a constant basis. If I could get that out, you guys. As I'm sewing, I'm learning how to make clothes that actually fit my body and style. And hopefully I can share those tips with you as well. And you could do the same thing to make the clothes fit your body. Once again, clothes that you may have outgrown, clothes that you no longer like, you can take those and revamp them. And we will be doing that in DIY fashion over here. Okay, so that's what I planned on doing in that. And then I want this space to be where it inspires each other, where we inspire each other, should I say, and you can sew along with me, share your projects in the comments, and help shape the videos that come next. So that means that I need the community engagement up in here. I need the engagement up in here. So, yeah, I just want to make sure that the videos are informative, that they're giving you tips and things that you can use. So, you'll also see Winston, my sewing buddy, the supervisor, as we all call him over here, because sewing is always more fun with a little company, right? Who don't want their puppy, all up in there. So, I post once a week, and I normally upload on Mondays. Since I am planning to do sewing and DIYing, I may start to upload twice a week. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments if that's what you want to see. Okay, so if you love fashion and want to learn how to sew, or just enjoy watching transformations, make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell so that you don't miss a thing. And drop me a comment what projects you love to see me upcycle next. I am currently working on an upcycle project that I would like to finish by Saturday. So you guys will definitely get to see that video of me creating a dress that I would like to wear to I don't know, a neighborhood outing. I want to say it's called Garfield Days here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, is where I live. So with that said, I'm going to let you guys go. I didn't want to hold you long. I just wanted to talk to y'all for a minute and let you know where the channel was going, what I hope to do, and what the future holds for us over here at J Sotastic. So thank you for taking your time to stop in today. I appreciate you. I welcome you. Share the videos, bring in those who are on the same line, who have the same niche as I have, and let's work together, y'all. I hope to continue to build this channel. It is growing process, so yeah, just hang in there with your girl. And last but not least, let's see if we can get Winston up here to say hello. Winston, you want to say hi? Hey, so yeah, here's Winston, the supervisor who watches everything that I do and okays it and let me know if it's okay. Right, Winston? Huh? Winston, right? Right, buddy? Okay, y'all, bye.